What is the easiest way to make money? And I'm going to tell you the easiest way to make money. You do not need a business. It's not going to cost you a lot of money. You don't need any technical know-how. You don't need to make a website. Nothing. This is super, super, super easy. All you need to make money is a Facebook page, an Instagram page, or a Twitter account. If you're watching this, right now I'm on Facebook, so if you're watching this, you already have a Facebook page. So if you already have a Facebook page, I guarantee you can make money. Maybe you'll make 500 pounds, $500. Maybe you'll make 1,000. I had one guy who made 10,000. I had one guy who made 100. But you will make some money, guaranteed. Absolutely guaranteed.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Online Wealth. Today, we're diving into something everyone wants to know: how to make $100 a day online. The easy way. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking for a side hustle, I've got you covered with practical methods you can start right away. So, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get into it. Let's start with freelancing. If you have a skill, whether it's writing, graphic design, social media management, or coding, you can offer your services online and start earning. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy to get started. Create a profile, list your services, and start bidding on jobs. To stand out, optimize your profile. Make sure your bio is catchy and highlights your expertise. Add a portfolio showcasing your best work, even if it's just personal projects. Take some time to research what others in your field are charging, and don't be afraid to start at a competitive rate to build up your reviews. The more positive reviews you have, the higher you can charge. Depending on your skill and experience, you can easily earn $100 or more per day. The best part? You control your hours and workload. Freelancing is flexible, allowing you to scale up as you gain.
Many online freelancers are sharing on social media how much they have been making with their jobs.
Ito, and marami pang success stories. Mas madaming clients, mas maraming earnings.
The income is endless. You can earn as much as 6 figures up to millions depending on your effort.
And many are
clients or keep it as a side hustle. Next, let's talk about online tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a specific subject, especially in areas like math, science, or languages, you can teach others and get paid for it. Platforms like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, and Wizant are always looking for tutors. You could earn anywhere from $15 to $25 an hour, so hitting that $100 mark is doable. Tutoring doesn't require a lot of upfront investment. You need a stable internet connection, a computer, and a passion for teaching. Whether you're helping kids understand math concepts or guiding someone through a language course, it's rewarding work. Plus, with online tutoring, you can reach students from all over the world, expanding your earning potential further. Offer group sessions or specialized courses to increase your income. Not only is this a great way to make money, but it's also incredibly fulfilling to see your students succeed. Now,
You can make up to $7,500 per month with online tutoring jobs for math, science, writing, whatever you know how to do.
dive into affiliate marketing. This is where you promote products or services online and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. If you have a blog, YouTube channel, or a decent social media following, you can start sharing affiliate links and make passive income. Success in affiliate marketing comes from choosing the right niche and products. Look for products that align with your content and audience. If you're into fitness, promote workout gear, supplements, or online coaching programs. Always recommend products you genuinely believe in because authenticity builds trust with your audience. Create content like product reviews, comparison articles, or tutorials to drive traffic to your affiliate links. Even if you just make a few sales a day, you could easily reach that $100 goal. Plus, once you set it up, it can keep earning for you passively.
Affiliate marketing involves you taking a product or a service, maybe even software, and basically you promote it and get a kickback from it. Some of the biggest companies on earth, for example, Amazon, even have affiliate marketing programs. So promote a software, a course, a supplement, whatever you believe is actually a great product, because that obviously makes it a lot easier to promote it. And then find a traffic source, preferably something that's free, like TikTok or even Twitter. And if you can build up those free traffic sources, well, then you can sell affiliate offers from.
Up next, selling digital products. If you're creative, you can make and sell things like ebooks, online courses, printables, or even stock photos. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Teachable make it easy to reach a global audience. Digital products are fantastic because they require upfront work but can generate income repeatedly without any additional effort. Think about what you're passionate about or skilled in. Are you a writer? Create an ebook. A designer? Make digital art or printable planners. A photographer? Sell stock photos or presets. The key is to offer something valuable that people are willing to pay for. Bundle products to increase sales or offer limited-time discounts to drive urgency. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once and sell them over and over, generating consistent income. Finally,
here's how you can make more money selling digital content than selling meth. I don't know how much the Mexican cartels make from meth, but I know a Mexican prison is probably not a nice place to be, nor is a grave. Now, if you can create a digital product or a service that's mid-ticket, let's say $1,000, as soon as you sold that to your first 100 people, that's $100,000. As soon as you've sold it to your first 500 people, that's $500,000. That can be done very, very quickly selling products online. I don't know how much money people make selling meth, but I'm not sure if it's $500,000 a month, which is entirely achievable if you put your head to it and you destigmatize the concept of making that amount of money. Follow for more actionable steps to be able to create that kind of money through strategies on this page.
let's talk about dropshipping. This is where you set up an online store, sell products without holding any inventory, and have a supplier ship directly to your customers. Shopify and Oberlo make this process simple and automated. Start by researching trending products. Use tools like Google Trends, AliExpress, and Oberlo to see what's hot in the market. Create a professional-looking store with high-quality images and compelling product descriptions. Focus on a niche to target a specific audience, and use social media marketing or influencer collaborations to drive traffic to your store. With the right products and marketing, you can scale your store to easily make $100 a day or more. Another way to earn online.
How much revenue have you generated with Shopify?
I think around 800 million.
$800 million.
Yeah, around.
How much of it was drop shipping versus brands?
I think dropshipping may consist of 80%.
So would you say drop shipping is alive and well?
Is through surveys. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Pinecone Research pay you for your opinions. While you won't get rich from taking surveys, it's an easy way to make extra cash in your spare time. Sign up for multiple platforms, and you can gradually earn enough to reach your $100 daily goal. The trick with surveys is to be efficient. Some surveys pay more than others, so focus on the higher-paying ones. Many platforms offer other earning opportunities like watching videos, playing games, or signing up for offers, which can add up. Combine this with other methods like cashback apps, and you can turn your downtime into extra income. Speaking of cashback apps, another method to add to your income stream is using apps like Rakuten, Honey, or Ibotta. These apps give you cashback on purchases you were already planning to make. While this might not directly contribute to earning $100 a day, it can definitely save you money. Over time, these small savings add up, especially if you do a lot of shopping online. Maximize your earnings by stacking cashback offers. Use a cashback app along with a credit card that offers rewards. This way, you're saving or earning money in multiple ways on a single purchase. It's all about being smart with your spending.
Can you actually make money with surveys? The other day I was watching Ryan Trahan and I saw he made money with this app called Surveys on the Go. But how long did it take him to make that $11? I have to find out. So I signed up for the app and the terms and conditions have me a little concerned. We may disclose your personal information. That's how surveys work, right? I'm gonna agree to the terms anyway. Let's start a survey. What's your gender? Easy but controversial. Annual household income.
Another easy way to earn money online is by selling items on online marketplaces like eBay, Poshmark, or Facebook Marketplace. Look around your home for things you no longer need. Clothes, gadgets, books, and even furniture can all be sold online. You'd be surprised at how much you can make just by decluttering your space. The key to selling online is to present your items well. Take clear, high-quality photos and write detailed descriptions. Price your items competitively and be responsive to potential buyers. You can also consider flipping items, buying things at a low price and selling them at a higher price after a bit of cleaning or refurbishment. This can be a fun way to make money and even turn into a full-time business. And there you have it. We've covered 7 easy ways to make $100 a day online: freelancing, online tutoring, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, dropshipping, taking surveys, using cashback apps, and selling items on online marketplaces. Whether you want to freelance, tutor, dive into affiliate marketing, sell digital products, start a dropshipping store, or combine these methods, there's something here for everyone. The key is to take action and stay consistent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more ways to make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.